Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the error 30005 create file failed with 32 on Windows. This is frustrating every time when you launch a game on your PC. This error typically occurs when running games protected by the easy anti-cheat service. Fortunately, it's possible to fix the underlying issue without much hassle. So the first thing you can do is to perform some preliminary checks. So those checks are listed in the screen. You can go through one by one. The first one is check if you are using any hacking software or file to gain an advantage in the game. If so, you should remove them. The second one, close any other application running alongside the game. The third thing you can check is close any graphics optimization software that you are using. And the last one you can check is check if you have modified the game files. If so, you will need to undo those changes or reinstall the game from the scratch. So these are the basic things you can check, and once that is checked and still if you are getting the error, then move to the second option, that is delete easyanticheat.sys file. You can see the file name on the screen right now. This is a file that contains launch information for your games. Each time you launch a game, Easy and Cheat ensures that the game file haven't been modified and create this file. However, if this operation gets interrupted for some reason, you might encounter this error. So in most of the cases, deleting the easyanticheat.sys file should force easyanticheat program to recreate it and fix the error. So here are the things you can do based on your program. You have to go to the directory folder of the game you are having trouble with, and most of the times you will find it in the subfolder of program files. Then the third step is to locate the easyanticheat.sys or easyanticheat_us.sys file in the folder. Then right click on the file and click the delete icon. That is, just open the Windows folder and from there navigate to program files, that is x86, and from here you will find a folder like what you see on the screen right now, and a file, and when you open that you will see the file named easyanticheat.us or .sys. You have to delete that. That's it. Now the third thing you can do is to repair the corrupted game files. If some of your game files have become corrupted, easyanticheat may consider them tampered within. In this case, you will need to repair the affected game files to fix the error. And once that is reinstalled, you can relaunch it and check if the error is solved. Now the fifth method you can try is to disable kernel mode hardware enforced stack protection. For that, just open Windows Security. You can just go to the start and type Windows Security, or straight away you will get it from the taskbar. This is the Windows Security. Just open it. Now from here, just navigate to Device Security. Now from here, just click on Core Isolation Details. Now you will see an option here, Kernel Mode Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. If it is enabled, just turn it off. Before that, you have to make sure that the memory integrity is turned on in your system. Or if not turned on, you have to scan it and turn it on. Then make sure that the kernel mode hardware enforced stack protection is turned off. That's it. And once that is done, you can restart your system and try if that error persists. And if nothing works, the last thing you can try out is to repair or reinstall the easyanticheat program. Now for that, you can follow these instructions as you see on the screen right now. You have to go to the installation folder of your game, then you can reinstall it. And if you have installed the game through Steam, open the Steam client, then right click on the game and select properties, then choose local files, then browse for the file. Now you have to close the Steam client and keep the installation folder open. And third step is to return to the easyanticheat folder and double click the easyanticheat setup file. And the option will come up for repair, and if you want to repair, you can repair it or you can reinstall it entirely. So hope these solutions will fix the error 30005. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.